Today I'll show you an unboxing of the summer event items. These are the tropical chests and I got a few of them. I played a few games. There is a list of items that you might get with this chest, but I'm not sure exactly if I really appreciate any of these things. And I played a lot of games. I was trying to get the candle skin for the knife. So at the same time I was getting these rewards, extra pearls and everything. So I could buy 60 chests for the pearls I had. So I'm going to unbox now 60 chests for the summer event 2026 in Roblox Rivals. There are so many items here. There are some interesting finishers and skins for wraps. Actually, these are wraps. And if you want skins, you have to buy them with Robux for sure. And the finishers are interesting. Usually I like to buy the finishers, the chicken finishers, the shark. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this is interesting for you.